Hi dears, today video is about how to make instant unniyappam. It's super delicious and it's crisped out and soft inside. Within few minutes you can make adipoli unniyappam. Let's start. In a pan I'm adding 300 gram of jaggery and half cup of water. You can add jaggery according to your sweetness. Now switch off the flame and keep it aside. The second step, let's make seasoning for unniyappam. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ghee and half teaspoon of cumin and saute it for a minute till the coconut turns to light brown color. If you like, add thenga kottu instead of grated coconut. If you have roasted rice flour, you can skip this step. Here I have roasted 1 cup of rice flour for few minutes in medium to low flame. Now in a mixer, add 1 cup of rice flour roasted and 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida, 5 cardamom pods, a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, salt to taste, and add jaggery syrup. The jaggery syrup is warm while I'm adding. I've taken 2 small banana. You can take any banana but it should be ripe and sweet. Palayam Kodam and Robust, both bananas are good to make unniyappam. Use a pulse mode in a mixer to blend. Now add 1 cup of water and blend it in a mixer. This is the consistency you get after blending well. Now add the coconut seasoning. Mix well. This is the consistency, but if you are using the coconut piece, there will be a slight change in consistency, but both comes out great. I have poured coconut oil in appam mold. In beginning, keep the flame in high or medium high. When oil become hot, reduce the flame to low, then pour the appam batter. You can see that unniyappam will easily comes out from the mold. Adjust the flame from medium to low while cooking the unniyappam. Flip the side till it cooks and get good color. Nadan recipes the link description box il undu. Ningalku ishtamayengil like and subscribe. Third batch I am frying, but remember to keep the flame in high and reduce the flame to low before adding unniyappam batter. Thanks for watching.